So with the summer fast approaching here in the UK, I thought it would be a great idea to do another oversized t-shirt pickup from Boohooman, because t-shirts, specifically oversized t-shirts, are one of the most comfortable things you can wear during the summer. So I picked up 8 items today. All links are going to be in the description somewhere here down below. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first item I've picked up today is this oversized Virtue graphic t-shirt. Now I picked this one up in a size large and I bought it for £9.80. Now as you can see, the sizing on this particular tee is absolutely fantastic. This is what you want to see when you're wearing an oversized t-shirt. Look at the way it fits on me. Now I've picked this one up in a size large. That is true to size for me. I always pick up in a size large because I love the way it fits on me. It's a little bit airy, it's not too baggy, and it's not too fitting. One of the best things with an oversized t-shirt is within the underarms. You don't want it to be tight on the underarms, because in the summer it's going to be hot. You want your armpits to breathe. Now if we look at some of the details of this t-shirt, true to its name, it does say Virtue on the back. I love the graphic print on the back of this t-shirt. It's super nice and effective. Great colors on this t-shirt. This one is definitely worth a cop for £9.80. Definitely a good steal. The link is going to be in the description, and let's get on to the next one. Next on the list, boys, we've got this oversized worldwide neck extended t-shirt in this cream colorway. I'm not gonna lie, I absolutely love the color of this. This is that neutral cream colorway, which is definitely in the season at the moment, and it's a somewhat of a timeless colorway. The only downfall with this t-shirt at the moment is the quality of the t-shirt. I know after a couple of wears or a couple of washes, this neckline is gonna go. It's gonna become super flimsy. And the t-shirt itself is a little bit thin, so I would say this is going to last you about 5 to 6 wears, and after that you're just going to have to get rid of it. What I'd wear with this is probably some shorts or cargo trousers, whatever. It will go with anything just because of the color and the graphic, but you're going to make sure that the bottoms are super plain. Let the t-shirt do all the talking. Now towards the back of the t-shirt is completely plain, nothing going on in the back. If this is your sort of style, link is going to be in the description. Make sure that you cop it. I think it came in about £10 or £10 something, so definitely great steal. Let's get on to the next one. Next on the list, boys, we've got this oversized recycled heavyweight t-shirt. Now this is part of the Boohooman range themselves. I just managed to grab one of the last few remaining tees from this range. I think there are still some pieces left on the website. Make sure you click that link in the description below, and don't miss out on this one. This one is one not to sleep on. It gives me some of that Fear of God essential vibes. I think that's sort of the direction they were going with this piece. One of the first few things I saw is how it fits around the armpit. Now you've got this somewhat of a V cut towards the pit, which allows you to breathe a lot better with this t-shirt. Somewhat of a unique look. I think they've custom made this one to their own specs, which is great from the Boohooman range. Another standout piece or another standout detail from this specific t-shirt is on the back. It has got that super exaggerated limited logo on the back of the t-shirt, which stands out. The weight of this t-shirt is great. They do claim that it is heavyweight. I wouldn't specifically say it is heavyweight, but in comparison to some of the other t-shirts that they do sell, then yeah, this one is definitely heavyweight. It's a lot heavier than some of the other pieces. It has come in this ecru color, which is like an off-white color. It probably does look white, but it's got this sort of like off-white tint to it. Let's move on to the next one. Next on the list, boys, we've got this Simpsons acid wash t-shirt. This one is one of the most expensive that I've picked up today. So it comes in at £14. Now you can definitely feel the quality of this one is much different. It's a different sort of material, a little bit heavier. If you've picked up a vintage tee before, you'll definitely know what I'm talking about. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's got this some sort of like hard, harsh feel to it. That's the best way I can describe it. But yeah, they definitely got it bang on. The graphic on the front of the t-shirt, we've got Homer here. Is he burning? Don't really know what he's doing. But yeah, you can see what he's doing on there anyway. The only thing I don't like about this specific t-shirt is the stitching, this white stitching that they've got running alongside the seams of the t-shirt. But that's just me being picky, not gonna lie. Apart from that, it's a great quality t-shirt. Coming in at £14, link is gonna be in the description below. This isn't really my sort of style, so not really sure what I'd wear this with. Possibly some jeans, some nice little jeans, or if I am on holiday, some shorts. But yeah, you guys let me know, and let's move on to the next one. Next on the list, boys, we've got this limited edition eagle print t-shirt. Now, I love the way this one fits. This one is a bit of me. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. It's very, very airy and roomy in here. I've picked this one up in a size large. I would say again, pick it up true to size. Now this, as I said, is their limited edition eagle print t-shirt. They absolutely love this eagle print. I think this is one of like their most used graphic, the eagle. I don't know what it symbolizes. If you know, let me know. And they do love having this limited edition design or this print on there, most of their t-shirts. Now this one is in black, as you can see. I don't think they have it in any other color. Back of the t-shirt is completely plain. Now, as you can see, I love my oversized t-shirts. I bang on about it on most videos. The sleeve length on this one is great. It sits just above the elbow, which is what any oversized t-shirt should fit like. It shouldn't be fitting up here like that. That's not an oversized t-shirt, that's just a standard size t-shirt. With this one, picked it up at £8.40. Definitely a good bargain. As I said, the material on this is 100% cotton. It's not too heavy, but also it's not too light. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It's a great steal. This one's gonna last you for quite a long time. I don't think it's gonna fade. So yeah, link is gonna be in the description. Let's move on to the next one. Next on the list, boys, we've got this Applique extended neck t-shirt. Again, detailing on this one, on the neckline, as you can see, it's an extended collar. Feels great, it's not too constricting, and the material that they've used, I don't know what it is, but it just feels super nice. I love the colorway of this t-shirt. This sort of like green turquoisey color is great, absolutely great. The graphics on the front, you've got 2 patches, 3 patches actually on the front. It's meant to be some sort of like sports team. Is it the official man sports team? Do they have that? Maybe they should. Only downfall, it does say official, so if you've shopped at Boohooman, you'll know that it is from Boohooman, but if you haven't, most people won't know, to be honest. This one was a steal as well at £8.40. What do you guys think of this one? Do you actually like this t-shirt? I'm not gonna lie, I love this t-shirt. Let me know in the comment section below, and link for this t-shirt is gonna be in the description below. I've picked this one up in a size large. Make sure you're picking things up in your actual size. Let's get on to the next one. And last but not least, boys, we've got this oversized tape detail t-shirt, and wow, my goodness, I'm not gonna lie. This is probably the best one that I've picked up today in terms of material. Not in terms of aesthetic or graphics, just purely in terms of material. This is the best one. Now, in terms of the collar on how it fits as well, this is the best one today. I love the little taping details that you've got right in the middle of the t-shirt, and it goes along each of the sides as well. I have picked this one up in a size large. It does fit great. This one, I can see myself wearing it any time of the day. I can wear this with some jeans, cargos, shorts, trousers, anything. It just feels that great on me. Now, I'm gonna leave the links in the description below. If you want this one, make sure you click that link in the description below. Pieces are very limited on this one. Let me know, guys, what you think of this one in the comment section below. If you'd like for me to pick up any other things from the Boohooman range, or if you want me to pick up from the likes of Zara, H&M, or any other stores, please do let me know. I read all my comments and I respond back to all my comments as well, which means I am listening to what you're saying. This has been my Boohooman haul. I do have some other videos here that I've picked up. Make sure that you watch those. And as always, please make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And I will catch you on the next one, guys. Take care. Peace.